Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple Rakhi for this Rakhi season. So if you want to make it really special, it's a good idea to personalize it. So do try. So guys, this is the final look. Do try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.